Welcome to InQI. In order to set up an account, you simply click on Sign Up. Once you click on Sign Up, you have the ability to select either to log in or create a sign up with Google or with Apple ID, or simply go through the process of using any other email system. If you use any other email system, you will have to accept terms and conditions and make sure you click on You're Not a Robot, and then you will have an account to log into the system. Let's go ahead and do the first login at this point. You use your account to log in. You have to remember the password that you used for when you created your account. This is true unless you do have your Google login or your Apple login. In those cases, you do not have to remember the password. You type in the password, Not a Robot, and simply sign in. Upon sign in, you are asked to save the password. Obviously, you can. Upon a login, you are asked to provide your information. This is important information for a few reasons. So you put in your information. Country of origin is important because it would enable the AI, the artificial intelligence, to understand what kind of assistance it can provide you. So we are in the United States. Obviously, in the Western countries, especially in the United States and in Canada, there is more available information, more available data. State you're in is important because local state codes and stuff are different. City is also important. So I put in Mountain View. The next set of questions are also extremely important. This role sets up the way artificial intelligence will help you. So if you say a designer, it will help you as a designer. If you say an architect, it will set itself to help you as an architect. As a builder, it will set you as a builder. As a design and build firm, it will help you as such, and then the property owner. It is important to answer the questions correctly. However, at a later time, you can change and modify. So when you click on Save, basically now your profile is set up and you have logged in to the account.